Hey Kyle, thanks for sharing your Tableau, your public dashboard, and also giving me editor access to your Google site. I think I figured out what the problem is. I'm looking at your Google site, and you're right, we can't see the dashboards. So let's go to the Tableau and go down here and grab the embed code. And then back into your Google site, I'm going to click on embed, and I wonder if maybe you've been trying to embed the code in this by URL, but instead let's give that, this is kind of a toggle switch. Let's select the embed code option. I'm going to embed the code here and say next and insert, and everything looks really fantastic. Just trying to expand it. I don't know if we can get, yeah, it looks like we've gotten all the way down. Now I'm going to go ahead and publish. And yes, just confirming that that's where we want it. And now let's view your published site and see if things are showing up, and they are. So glad we figured that out, and it was an easy fix. That was just a toggle option that you might not have realized was a toggle option for when you were preparing to embed. So I feel free to give it a try on your own. You can't do any harm. And everything looks really wonderful, by the way. I hope that helps and that you can have a restful weekend. Thanks. Bye.